It's an absolutely gorgeous day in the Blue Mountains. Today we're at Hazelbrook, we're at the Horseshoe Falls Reserve, and we're going to do the Horseshoe Waterfall Circuit Walk. This one's fairly easy, it's only a couple of kilometres. It can get muddy and slippery after rain, so do take your time and be careful. A couple of waterfalls to look at along the way, should be really good, and we'll tell you some more about it as we go through the walk. Let's go. We started our walk at Alston Park, which is at the end of Alexandra Avenue, just at the top of these stairs. An alternate start point is off Oaklands Road, that's off to my left. Now, let's go check out some waterfalls. We've reached a junction. To my left is going to be our return track from Burgess Falls. However, we're going to head down the hill here to Horseshoe Falls, but we're going to stop in at Fairy Falls along the way. Let's go. So the first major falls you come to are Fairy Falls, and after a little bit of rain earlier in the week, they are looking absolutely beautiful. Well, that was Fairy Falls. Let's go on to Horseshoe Falls.
I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, please give it a like, leave a comment and consider subscribing to my channel.
Well, this is Horseshoe Falls, and as you can see from what we've shown in the video, you can walk behind these falls. They are looking really beautiful at present. We're going to go to Glowworm Nook Falls next. This is the bottom of Glowworm Nook Falls. We're about to go and show you the middle and upper sections of this fall as well. Well, that was the 3 drops of Glowworm Nook Falls. They are really pretty. We're going to head off to Oakland Falls next, and we may even drop in on a forgotten waterfall along the way. So you may be able to hear a waterfall in the background. That's Lena Falls. They are a fairly forgotten set of falls and there's no easy access to them. As this is our first trip out post-injury, we're not going to go down there today, but we will show you some stills from previous visits. So the descent down to Oaklands Falls does have a few steps. They are a bit squidgy and slippery. Take your time, be careful. All good. Wow, just wait until I show you Oakland Falls. Well, how spectacular are Oakland Falls? They are flowing beautifully today. Just like Horseshoe Falls, you can get in behind them, we'll show you that in a minute. But for now, while we've got this place to ourselves, I'm just going to take it all in. Well, that was the gorgeous Oakland Falls. We're going to check out Burgess Falls next, which is not very far away, and the last one's on this circuit. So we've reached an intersection. There's no need to leave the main track. Burgess Falls, keep going straight ahead. Burgess Falls. The last fall on this circuit in the direction that we've done it is looking spectacular too. This walk is a fairly easy one, a little over 4 kilometres return, suitable for most ages. You do just have to watch out for some of the muddy, slippery sections. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one. Well, there you have it, the Horseshoe Falls Reserve Waterfall Circuit. We're not going to go back the way we came. We're going to do this as a loop track. So we're going to take these stairs up from Burgess Falls.